Right, guys, this is a bit of fun, right? All right, I'm going to be biased as well, but this is just a bit of fun. I want to sort of do a Kodi Builds Awards. Now, of course, many Kodi bloggers will put on their website, best builds. There's no best build out there, all right? Because we all got different tastes, we all like different stuff. Some builds are more user friendly than others, and this and that. But I'm going to say for best Debrid build of 2025 has to be Cinema Debrid. All right, and you're going to say, why is that? I'll say, right, simply because it has the best scraper and one-click add-ons, and it's a build that is made purely just for movies and TV shows. You got other builds that sort of like fully loaded for live and sports. This one is just easy. Any device can use it. Any Android device can use it. Even touchscreen, even those low budget, those low end Fire Sticks, it'll work for there because it's only a one-page build. So you go up, you got your 6 add-ons to choose from. You press the up button again, and you got the one-click new releases. And it's Debrid, so when you go down, you enter your Debrid settings, and there you go. It's that easy, that simple. We all got different tastes and add-ons, but I'm saying that these ones are the best. And if there's any section within the add-on that you want, you hold the button down or you right-click it, and you add it to your favorites. And this is what it's all about. Something that is, you put it on, it hasn't got much bloat on it, much bloat of any bloat. One thing I did notice when I'm looking at it, they got 2 add-ons that are basically the same, or one add-on THX as the same as Neoflix, and THX uses the same scrapers as Umbrella. So I'm thinking, what one of these need to go? And I'm thinking THX would have to go. Neoflix will stay for the one-clicks. THX has one-clicks and scraper, so we're just going to get rid of THX. Now, how would I do that? I'll just do that right now. Settings, add-ons, my add-ons, video add-ons, THX, uninstall. Now, of course, you guys can do whatever you want. It's a build. I'm just saying, it's just now we've got 5 add-ons, and that's all you need. Some people just use Umbrella or Jokers, and I don't know. For Debrid, movie and TV show only, this build is the best build, and I can say that because I've got the bloody experience of bloody reviewing, showcasing builds more than anybody else. If there's one that you guys know, let me know. I'm talking about movie TV show only build, Debrid build, right? Movie TV show only. That's what this category is. Let me know. Put it in the comments. All right, because like I said, there's nothing is the best, but let me know and I'll check it out. I mean, you could say some of these flick type builds that have all the the widgets and stuff like that. I mean, that's great and stuff, but for low end devices, this one is better suited. It hasn't crashed on me. Some people put on these big builds, and after a while, it just goes back to the home screen. This one doesn't. All right, and if there's a category of if you want me to do another awards of a category of Kodi Builds, let me know which one. I'm thinking like sports and stuff like that. Let us know what I should do. But if you know any other movie TV show build that you're gonna say is better or better than this, put it in the comments. Let us know the name. I mean, you got 7 of 9 is back. He's been doing builds. I haven't really checked them out. You got Red Wizard. You've got Change has some builds. Let us know. All right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.